Hi, I'm Maria Fernanda Abreu and this is my final project of the course ID 2126. In this project, we're going to cover all the topics that we study in the course. Color, light and acoustics, texture, rhythm and circulation, space and scale. Color is the effect produced on the eye and is associated with waves of different wavelength or frequency. I selected Árbol de la Vida of the Venezuelan architect Fruto Vivas located in Puerto La Cruz, a singular structure that has a lot of colors that provides life to the building and makes it unique. We can observe how primary and secondary colors are present in the whole structure and placed together making an original work. Light and acoustics. Light can be used for different purposes in architecture, can be used for the needs in a room or simple decoration. It can change the way you feel when you walk into a room. On the other hand, we define acoustics as a term for the study of the sound and how it's experienced. In this topic, the perfect example to analyze the light and acoustics is the Aula Magna of Universidad Central de Venezuela. There are three types of light: general light, task light, and accent light. In the Aula Magna of Universidad Central de Venezuela is evident the presence of accent light. This creates an environment of drama and very interesting decoration theme. The acoustic in this room is considered the best of America Latina and also one of the 5 rooms with the best acoustic in the world. The design of the clouds and the position of these ones create a perfect acoustics, and the fabrics that cover the chairs of the room prevent the distortion of the sounds when the room is not full. Texture is a specific quality on a surface which results of a three-dimensional structure. We can see the texture and feel it. Texture can be rough, bumpy, sleek, scratchy, smooth, silky, soft, prickly. The list is endless, and also with the texture we can see how it can be used to create an illusion of space. In the Club Táchira at Caracas, we can observe how different materials work great together. We can see the bricks and that are softer than the stones of the floor but not smooth than the woods of the inside. Rhythm. Rhythm in visual arts is an attribute of any object that is marked by a systematic recurrence of elements having recognizable relationships between them. The colonial houses that are in Venezuela have the particularity to have a very present rhythm. We can see the repetition of shapes and dimension in the columns and windows that have the same distance and size between them. In the Casa Guipuzcoana, located in La Guaira, we can observe how the doors, windows, and columns get together to create a close rhythm. I want to analyze also the sculpture of Soto in the Francisco Fajardo Highway. The rhythm of vertical lines with different sizes create an spirit and also the sensation of an open rhythm. Circulation, space, and scale. There are 2 types of circulation for a good architectural design: vertical and horizontal circulation. In the Leader Mall at Caracas, we can observe the 4 elements for a good circulation plan. It is adequate in size, it has big spaces for the people to not collapse between them, and for having a nice walk through the stores. The circulation plan for direction is present. Points of converging traffic are well expressed because the mall is situated in avenue, and finally, the change of levels it also can be seen thanks to the vertical circulation elements, elevators and ladders. In this mall, we can assure that relationship of typical objects, doors, windows, height, and height weight of the walkways are related to the human scale. Also, the space of this structure is original. It has the shape of a boat, and the architect plays with the emptiness between floors to have a nice and comfortable location. Venezuela is a country where all the topics that we work here are present. For example, in the map, if we add more emphasis, we may see the presence of colors, light, texture besides the circulation, and that is right for space and scale. And this is just one structure. Venezuela has multiple choices to describe them and discourse. I think this project made you investigate about the Venezuelan architecture and how in each state is different, and this makes it unique.